Instead of covering a blemish or putting a cream on that dry patch of skin, fight off the not so pretty with Power Foods from your local grocery store. Dermatologist David Myers says unless you're getting the nutrients you need, your skin won't look its best. We hear all the time a balanced meal full of fresh fruits and veggies is good for our body. Can it really make a difference on our skin?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so, you know, eating good foods is not going to help us not age or prevent wrinkles, but if we eat lean proteins, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, it can help, you know, somewhat with the tone of our skin, the texture, and even prevent skin cancer.
Let's dive right in. You've got 5 categories of improvement, we'll call them. The first one is for the anti-aging.
Right.
What should we be eating?
Well, not an all-inclusive list, but these are some of my favorites. So antioxidants, we've all heard about those.
Yes.
What they do is they prevent against free radicals. Free radicals can destroy the structures in the skin. So you want to eat, of course, products with them. Specifically, a lot of plants have, and plants and fruits have something called flavonoids, carotenoids, and these are, you know, plant-based antioxidants. Blueberries, like a superfood. They have probably more antioxidants than other servings of almost any other fruit and vegetable. You know, other things that have it, think of bright vegetables, bright fruits.
Okay.
Kiwis, oranges, but in addition, beets, squash, spinach, you know, any of those can kind of help prevent skin aging and wrinkles by protecting against free radicals.
You say our carb intake can have a lot to do with the condition of our skin in terms of blemishes, acne, etc.
Yeah. So a good story illustrates this. A dermatologist went to the South Pacific, Papua New Guinea, and he basically took these, the people there don't have acne or blemishes, and so he he convinced them basically to eat American-type fare, American-type food, and they started developing acne. Similar studies have been done also to show in Australia and even in Miami to show that high glycemic diets can have more acne, or low glycemic diets can have more. Glycemic means carbohydrates, simple sugars.
Okay.
So where do we get those? We get those in, you know, soda pops, candies. Even I feel bad for the potato because the potato has a lot of, it's basically a big chain of sugars, and when you complex carbohydrates, and when you eat it, it breaks it down. So, and that actually contributes more to obesity than almost any other food group because of delicious fries and chips. So.
What are some foods we can eat that will keep our skin looking like plump and moist and hydrated?
So hydration, we need water. We need enough water. You don't need to use a Camelback everywhere you go to get like way too much, but you need sufficient because water is needed in every cellular process, and you know, blood flow. If you have more blood flow, you'll have better tone. So you know, get sufficient water. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids, which we hear a lot about, they can help with the natural oil barrier of the skin. Where do we get those? Cold water fish, salmon, mackerel, walnuts, olive oil, flaxseed. So both those things can help you have, you know, better hydrated skin in essence. So we know sunscreen is our #1 go-to protection for keeping the skin cancer away. You say there are also some foods that can boost that process. Yeah, I love it. Exactly what you said. Sunscreen more important, but you know, lycopene, which is loaded in the tomatoes, is another antioxidant that can help prevent free radical damage from the sun that can age, you know, and break down collagen and elastin. In addition, beta-carotene, which is found in carrots and green beans, can actually absorb UVB and UVA rays and help protect us from the sun. The reason avocados help absorb lycopene. Lycopene isn't absorbed very well unless you eat a lipid also. Okay, all right. Every woman that comes into your office, I guarantee, is after that healthy skin glow. It's like the ongoing quest. There are some foods you say that can help us accomplish that. That's exactly right. They've actually shown studies that healthy or attractive skin is part of the determinant is having this color, and part of that color is from carotenoids. Carotenoids are in colorful fruits, mangoes, apricots, bell peppers. So you know, you eat those and actually they can help with the color of skin. A good example of how this hurts is think of people who do binge diets or who, you know, are anorexic or even smokers. Their skin becomes more sallow, not as good texture, gray, less luster. So you know, eat your bright fruits and vegetables, and that can help your skin.
And obviously everyone knows you're not going to pop a handful of blueberries and instantly see a change, but how long of eating a more healthy diet, incorporating some of these foods, how long before you start seeing results?
That's a great question. Everybody's different. Depends if you're deficient. If you're deficient, it could be really fast. But let's say even weeks, but you know, certainly in a month or two, it can surely help.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Great information. If viewers have questions or want to get in touch with you personally, how can they do that?
Well, we're right by the Lehigh Roller Mills, and you can always go to our website at uvderm.com.
All right. Dr. Myers, thank you.
Thank you.
Darren, we'll send it over to you.
Thanks, Brooke.